Hello and welcome to GS Question Bank. This is part 7 of Ancient Indian History. Topic 7 name is Rise of Jainism. Question 1. Who among the following was the 23rd Jain Tirthankar? A. Neminath, B. Mahavir, C. Parshavnath, D. Mallinath. Answer is C. Parshavnath. Question 2. With which among the following places the 23rd Jain Tirthankar was associated? A. Vaishali, B. Kaushambi, C. Varanasi, D. Shravasti. Answer is C. Varanasi. Question 3. In Pali texts, who among the following is referred to as Niganth Nath Put? A. Gautam Buddha, B. Mahavir, C. Parshavnath, D. Rishabh. Answer is B. Mahavir. Question 4. Who was the first Tirthankar in Jainism? A. Rishabhnath or Rishabdev, B. Parshavnath, C. Mahavir, D. Muni Suvrat. Answer is A. Rishabhnath, also known as Rishabdev. Question 5. On the banks of which river Mahavir attained Kaivalya? A. Niranjana, B. Rijupalika, C. Yamuna, D. Jamuna. Answer is B. Rijupalika. Question 6. In which year Vardhaman Mahavir was born? A. 563 BC, B. 540 BC, C. 533 BC, D. 560 BC. Answer is B. 540 BC. Question 7. Under whose leadership Shwetambar sect formed? A. Bhadrabahu, B. Sthalbahu, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Ashoka. Answer is B. Sthalbahu. Question 8. Under whose leadership Jainism spread in South India? A. Sthalbahu, B. Bhadrabahu, C. Ashoka, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer is B. Bhadrabahu. Question 9. Which ruler is credited for the spread of Jainism in Karnataka? A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Bimbisar, C. Ashok, D. Samprati. Answer is A. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 10. The grandson of Ashoka who accepted Jainism was A. Samprati, B. Kunal, C. Dashrath, D. Shali Suka. Answer is A. Samprati. Question 11. What was the fifth tenet added by Tirthankar Mahavir to the four basic tenets of Jainism? A. Non-injury, B. Non-lying, C. Observe continence, D. Non-stealing. Answer is C. Observe continence. Continence means brahmacharya. Question 12. Tirthankar Parshavnath's idol is recognized by which symbol? A. Lion, B. Bull, C. Tortoise, D. Serpent. Answer is D. Serpent. Question 13. Which among the following defines the similarities between Buddhism and Jainism? A. Both opposed Brahmanical domination and caste system. B. Both accepted the theories of rebirth. C. Both preached truth and non-violence. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question 14. Who among the following built the Gomteshwar statue at Shravan Belgola? A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Kharvel, C. Amogvarsh, D. Chamundarai. Answer is D. Chamundarai. Question 15. Acharang Sutra is associated with which of the following religions? A. Jainism, B. Buddhism, C. Sikhism, D. Ayyavazhi. Answer is A. Jainism. Question 16. The famous book Sutra Pritang provides detailed information about the life of A. Mahavir, B. Gautam Buddha, C. Kapila, D. Basavanna. Answer is A. Mahavir. Question 17. Nakoda at Rajasthan, which is famous for miracles at Nakoda Ji, is a temple of which among the following? A. Vishnu, B. Krishna, C. Buddha, D. Mahavir. Answer is D. Mahavir. Question 18. Who has written Kalp Sutra? A. Haribhadra, B. Bhadrabahu, C. Sudharma Swami, D. Nemi Chandra. Answer is B. Bhadrabahu. Question 19. Which among the following site in Bihar is a Buddhist as well as Jainism pilgrimage place? A. Bodh Gaya, B. Rajgir, C. Nalanda, D. Vaishali. Answer is D. Vaishali. Question 20. Who among the following was the first Tirthankar of Jainism? A. Rishabdev, B. Parshavnath, D. Neminath, C. D. Sambhavnath. Answer is A. Rishabdev. Question 21. Which among the following is not correctly matched? A. Milind Panho, Buddhism, B. Tatvarthadigam Vaishnavism. C. Mahapuran Jainism. D. All are correct. Answer is B. Tatvarthadigam is related to Jainism, not Vaishnavism. Question 22. Which of the following Jain doctrine signifies the system of describing reality from different points of view? A. Anekantvad. B. Syadvad. C. Nyavad. D. Panch Mahavrat. Answer is C. Nyavad. Question 23. Which of the following doctrine was added by Jainism? A. Ahimsa. B. Satya. C. Asteya. D. Brahmacharya. Answer is D. Brahmacharya. Question 24. Yapanya was the sect of which of the following? A. Vaishnavists. B. Jainism. C. Shaivists. D. Buddhists. Answer is B. Jainism. Question 25. Which of the following was the founder of Shwetambar Creed? A. Kalkachar. B. Sthulbhadra. C. Bhadrabahu. D. Devardhi Shraman. Answer is B. Sthulbhadra. Question 26. Which of the following was the first disciple of Mahavir? A. Jamali. B. Trishla. C. Yashoda. D. Prabhash. Answer is A. Jamali. Jamali was the son-in-law of Mahavir. Question 27. Which of the following was the only female Tirthankar? A. Kunthunath. B. Mallinath. C. Shantinath. D. Suvidhinath. Answer is B. Mallinath. Question 28. The Digambars used which of the following terms for the hagiographies? Hagiographies means biographies of a saint or religious leader. A. Puran. B. Charit. C. Agam. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Puran. Question 29. The Shwetambars used which of the following terms for the hagiographies? A. Puran. B. Charit. C. Agam. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Charit. Question 30. A Shwetambar ascetic is allowed to have how many possessions? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 16. Answer is C. 14. Shwetambar wear white clothes whereas Digambar don't wear clothes. Question 31. A Digambar ascetic is allowed to have how many possessions? A. 10. B. 12. C. 2. D. 16. Answer is C. 2. The two possessions are Rajoharan and Kamandalu. Question 32. The first Jain council was held at which of the following places? A. Patliputra. B. Vallabhi. C. Ujjain. D. Varanasi. Answer is A. Patliputra in the year 300 BC. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.